Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome again to Cheap Charlie's store. Today we are visiting a majestic garden, simple but beautiful. This is the closest you get to nature, guys. You can hear the birds sing from this point. Simple but beautiful. St. Lucian has it best. And also we've got here the calabash tree. Calabash tree. It's a big thing here in St. Lucia. Just think about the many things made out of calabash. So for a winter escape, guys, why not choose St. Lucia? Remember to like, share, subscribe to the video for more amazing and breathtaking content. Whilst touring the majestic garden, or at least that's what I call it, majestic garden here in Soufrière. You will see signs like these. How great is the Father's? How great is the love the Father has? Oh, bless you. How great is the love the Father has lavished on us that we should be called children of God. John 1, 1 John 3, 1. Not only that it's peaceful, but the spirituality is here. Just take a look. And I think I recognize this fruit. This is it looks like, is it grapefruit or is it lemon? Here goes a little birdie, guys. You can see a little birdie from here. You can see a little birdie from this point. Beautiful garden here in St. Lucia. Community of Soufrière leading to the volcano and also the Twin Pitons, and not to mention the waterfall. Remember, for more amazing content, guys, like, share, subscribe to Cheap Charlie's tour St. Lucia. And if you're planning to come to St. Lucia, remember that Cheap Charlie is the best tour guide here on Ireland. Send me a message or call for bookings. WhatsApp Cheap Charlie. And definitely my number will be shared on the website or on YouTube. Contact Cheap Charlie on Facebook. So we've got visitors like every day visiting this beautiful garden here in Soufrière. All right, guys, so let's go. Let's go for a little adventure. That way, guys. So here we got a local sugar cane. Yes. And for those who don't know who that is, it's cocoa. Yes. And I think they got ginger and sea moss, grapefruit, etc., etc. Yeah.